Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kaspa video. I hope you're doing well. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Kaspa is currently sitting at the number 38 spot on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of roughly 2.5 billion. The volume is around 20 million over the last 24 hours. The volume is relatively low. If you compare it, for example, of a couple of days ago, the volume was more like almost 3 times as high. Nonetheless, if we take a look at the monthly chart, you can see that we are roughly trading sideways. And that is nothing bad about that. I think it's a really strong look for Kaspa. It's building support, it's building foundation before we get the next leg up in the Kaspa price, and I'm really sure that it will come in the near future. Alright, let's dive first into the technical side of Bitcoin, the market cap of the altcoins, and on the last the Kaspa chart, because I think there is a big move coming and I want to show you that. First, if you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, we are trading between I think the 41k is a really strong support level if we take a look at the past a couple of years, and for now we have a resistance level at around 44k. So I think we will trade inside this candle. Possibly we're gonna retest the 41k level, or we're gonna test the resistance level around 44k. We have to wait and see. I want to share you my opinion on the Bitcoin ETFs, because a lot of people thought that the Bitcoin price will go sky high when institutions like BlackRock are buying Bitcoin. My opinion is that it won't. Why? At least in the short term. I will tell you why. Institutions like BlackRock, if they buy Bitcoin, they won't buy it on an exchange like Binance or KuCoin or whatever. They buy it OTC. That means they buy it over the counter. And when they do, it hasn't any impact on the price on an exchange. So that's why we don't see a really big leg up. All right. I think this pump is just because of the normal investors, and of course there are whales in it and just small retail fishes and sharks, but it isn't a pump due big institutions like BlackRock, in my opinion. Again, they buy OTC. What they can do, they can dump the Bitcoin on a normal exchange and it will create sell pressure. That they can do, and they will manipulate the price on an exchange with it. Of course, in the long term, even if they buy OTC in the long term, it will give a lot of buy pressure on the Bitcoin and in the price action. But on the short term, I don't expect a big run up by do that institutions like buying Bitcoin. So for now, we have to wait and see how the market will react to that. Possible we're gonna trade some sideways before we're gonna see a next leg up or a retest to the downside. Nonetheless, if we take a look at the market cap of all the altcoins, you can clearly see that we had a really nice run up since October, and we had some sell pressure in the beginning of January, and this is the run up by the in regards to the news of the ETFs for Bitcoin. And now we're trading sideways. In my opinion, the road is clear to at least 900 plus billion. There is the first big resistance level for the total market cap of altcoins. So we need to wait and see what Bitcoin is going to do, and it will react on it. Maybe Bitcoin is going to trade sideways and we're gonna get a little altcoin season, and we will pump up to around $900 billion market cap for all the altcoins together. If we take a look at Kaspa, the green lines are all strong support levels and the red lines are resistance levels for now. In the really short term, it looks a little bit bearish because we broke the 11.5 support level, and now we are trading around 11.3 cents with low volume. If you take a look, there is a really big symmetrical triangle, and we're going to break out in a couple of days, in my opinion. It is possible that we break to the downside, but my gut feeling is that we're going to break to the upside. And if we break this important 11.5 resistance level over here, and again the 12 cents resistance level, there, the target, in my opinion, would be around 20 cents, and we get some big, really big upside. It's almost 100% gain. Of course, this is just the technical side. Kaspa is really depending right now on fundamental news. There is not really big hype for Kaspa right now. Nonetheless, I'm really bullish on it, and a lot of Kaspa holders are bullish on it. But in the short term, we need some hype to break out of this triangle and boop, fly to the around 20 cents and maybe even higher. I'm thinking of maybe an ETP news, because there is an ETP coming in Europe for Kaspa, but also a T1 listing would be really, really bullish, and I think we will break out this triangle in a matter of minutes, and we will fly up to the 20 cents area or even higher. Is there a T1 listing coming? Yes, I think so. It's just a matter of time. So hold your bags, be patient, and the breakout to the upside will come. Nonetheless, I expect a breakout in the coming days, and my gut feeling is that it will be to the upside, because why would it go to the downside? I mean, it's Kaspa after all. It's the best coin you can buy right now, in my opinion. I hold a lot of other projects, but this is my biggest bag, and I'm sleeping really good over it. All right, let's dive into some Kaspa metrics. Currently, the hash rate is sitting around 136 petahash per second, so that's still looking great. If we take a look at the accumulation going on, in the last 24 hours we gained a couple of sharks, dolphins, fish, and a lot of octopus and crabs, so that's looking pretty good. And if we take a look at the top 10 addresses, the number 2, the Maxi wallet of one of the Maxi wallets, gained almost 1.5 million Kaspa coin. The Gate, they gained 38,000 Kaspa coin. The Uphold, 1.7 million Kaspa coins. The other Maxi wallet lost 9 million Kaspa coin. And the number 8, the BitGet wallet, gained 500,000 Kaspa coin. So there is some changes, but not that very significant. For now, this is the update for Kaspa. So in the end, in conclusion, have patience, stick to your bags, and I think their breakout is coming in the near short term, and my expectations that will be that it is the breakout to the upsides, and the target would be around 20 cents. If we get a really fundamental good news like a T1 listing, we will break out immediately, and I think 20 cents will be an easy target to reach. So for now, hold on your bags, be patient again, and have faith in Kaspa. I do. Alright, I wish you a really good day. Please, if this video gave you some value, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, and Crypto T out.